Hi, I'm Dr. Lee from Wave Plastic Surgery. Today I want to talk about something that's really close to my heart, the aging eye complex. For most of our lives, we're happy with how we look, but once we hit our 40s, a lot of people start to notice changes. They look in the mirror and they think they look a little more tired. The good news is there are a couple of procedures that can help refresh your appearance, giving you a more awake and energetic look that you're going for. The first thing I want to talk about is the upper eyelid surgery, also known as an upper blepharoplasty. A lot of people come in saying, "Doctor, I've got this extra skin here," pointing to this upper lid. And most of the time, they're right. As we age, the skin naturally loosens, and sometimes that extra skin can even start to block your vision. But here's something most people don't realize. It's not always just the eyelids. The brow can play a big role too. You gently push down on your own brow. You might notice that your expression starts to look tired or even a bit angry. So when I evaluate a patient, I always consider both the eyelid position and the brow together. The most common is the endoscopic brow lift. I make 5 tiny incisions along the scalp line, and using a small camera, an endoscope, I carefully lift the forehead skin, release the tissues that are holding the brow down, and avoid any important nerves and vessels. I then secure the new brow position using absorbable devices called endotines. Now let's talk about the lower eyelids, which is another area where aging shows up early. People often say that they have bags under their eyes or puffiness that makes them look older. Solution? A transconjunctival blepharoplasty. That's just a fancy term for making a small incision inside the lower eyelid to remove or reposition the fat. Sometimes we'll even take that fat and gently move it over the cheekbone area, filling in the tear trough, an area that can look hollow or dark. This is called fat repositioning and helps smooth that transition from the lower eyelid to the cheek, making you look less tired. This is a relatively quick procedure, about an hour, with IV sedation and local anesthesia. Most people are surprised by how little discomfort they have afterwards. And once the swelling settles, it really makes you look more refreshed. So if you're noticing that your eyes don't reflect how you feel and you're interested in doing something simple to brighten your appearance, these procedures might be a great option for you. If you have questions or want to learn more, please give us a call here at Wave Plastic Surgery. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.